Well, guys, we are done the Tiki roof. It's a Tiki hut. It's a roof, but it's a hut. Anyway, we are done. Bar installation tomorrow. And then we should be able to get home on Sunday. Sunday. So everything turned out good. I think we got the roof done. I don't know if you can see up there. But we got the roof done, and I don't know how long it take. What time did we get here this morning after breakfast? 9:45. 6:45. Oh. There you go. It's after 4. What time did we get off the roof? 3:10. 3:10. Yeah. So 6 hours to do that roof. That's not bad. There we go. All right. The next step is install the bar. And it's going right there. So we got a machine coming to lift up the front and back parts of the bar because they're pretty darn heavy. So until tomorrow. And Tiki Kev crew, we got Walt, we got Mir, who just took up the whole entire camera lens. And there's Daniel. I don't know where Shay went. I think he's closing up the trailer maybe. All right, well, until tomorrow and the Tiki bar install. And what's the name of this?
Mullins Bay.
Mullins Bay. We are Millins Bay? Millins Bay. So there you have it. Tiki Kev out.